Yaqaqamba ne. Ayixesha lisasemnandi. Take your time. Yaqaqamba yona. Yeah. Ungayiyeka awuthi mina ngizokunika 10 rand. Phuza amanzi. Ngizokunika 10 rand. Phuza amanzi. Uphume kule game. Cabanga mfethu. Injani awuthiyami? Ngibona ilimi. Ya ilimi liyashake ne. Mara mfethu 100. Take your time, Dola. Take your time, Dola. Dola, quit, my brother. I'll give you 10 rand. You can quit now. I will buy you milk. I'll buy you milk. You can quit. You can call for me, Dola, and then we're out of the game. How are you feeling? Enjoy. Nice audience. Take it in. Are you okay? Kutikaka. Out of I quit, Dola. Shaman, tu Dola. Oh no! Dola. Out Dola face, ngila. Ungapi phambi kwami. Dola. Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream International Kings. We are back at it, and in namhlanje bafethu we are trying hot shandies. So utsini dog uthi awudla pelepele?
Hayi ndawudla.
Mfethu, yazi ngibongani mfethu? Ngibonga ukuthi mfethu I believe mfethu. Ngokuthi into nje into encane. So wena ukhulu udla vele upelepele?
Hayi into ezincane upelepele. Hayi into.
This is gLiTtv bafethu, and bonke abantu abafikayo lana they always say into encane. We have this shandies, the bomb. Ngithe nje fafafa kula ma wings lawa so that you can feel that hit. Yababa le nto mfethu, it's fire. Kodwa wena ngoba uthi fire uyijwayela una nkinga ne. All right, Busi. Give me my time there, my brother. Asiqale mfethu. Asiqale hlala kahle nje mfethu. So ama rules are simple, my brother. Mawudla lana mfethu, you don't drink water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can do whatever that you do. I will give you the amount of 100 rand for 10 minutes. All right, we're ready. Vusi, time there and let's go. Yeah, take your time. 10 minutes mude, and you need to enjoy it. Amathambo mela bemhlophe ba. Uzongibekela amathambo ba. Take it easy. Take it easy, my brother. How are you feeling? Kahlafunwa ba. How are you feeling, Maklafunwa? Hey mina. How are you feeling? Alright, take your time. Yeah, but they're nice hot wings, ne? They're pretty hot. So where are you feeling the or in your mouth? Tongue is running out. Yalbole la baltselanga ne? Ulaki ne? Hayi bo. Baba ngoba uzoshala. Mina hlafuni. Bathi unga enjoy. Uyafuna manje? Ufuna ini imali? Yeah, amathamba. Oh nice. Amathamba ba clean. Ufuna ini? Amanzi noma ufuna imali? Ubani wafundisa ipelepele awuthi mkhosi ngathi uyayidla wena uyayichili kahle. Dola. Push Dola. Busi, susisithupa sakho ungangicimeli leso sikhathi sika Dola lesi. Sikhathi sa Dola. Ufila njani Dola? Take your time, no rush. Yeah, ufila njani yeah. Slowly but surely. It's bending your ass, eh? Angayicabangi ini. Dola. Amanzi mfethu akhona amanzi. Ungakhali mfethu. Dola. Amanzi akhona mfethu. Mina nguwena awuthiyami. Awafuna amanzi. Dola mfethu awafuna amanzi. Dola. Amanzi mfethu. Dola zama mfethu amanzi. Come on Dola. Amanzi. Usahambe yazi Dola kusahambe only 2 minutes. Dola. Shaking. Kuthi yenza njani? Kuthi screamer Dola. Dola Mthembu abe clean. How are you feeling, Dola? Take your time. You still have time. Still have time. Yaqaqamba ne. Ayixesha lisasemnandi. Take your time. Yaqaqamba yona. Yeah? Ungayiyeka awuthi ngizokunika 10 rand. Phuza amanzi. Ngizokunika 10 rand. Phuza amanzi. Uphume kule game. Cabanga mfethu. Ngizokunika 10 rand mina. Quit mfethu phuza amanzi. Dola. Ngizoshuthi selfie nawe. Quit. Quit! 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 Angaquit. Mfanasi. Babheka bakholo. Bengakakaki. Bengakashiti. Hola. Dola, drink water, my brother. Don't do this to yourself. Don't do this. Dola, don't do this to yourself. Quit, my brother. 10 minutes is too long. Yazi sikakafiki ngisho ku 4 minutes. A minute ilike. Drink water, my brother. Uzobunga lapha. Injani awuthiyami? Ithi ngibona ilimi. Ya ilimi liyashake ne. Mara fethi 100. Take your time, Dola. Take your time, Dola. Dola, quit, my brother. I'll give you 10 rand. Come on, Dola. We need your face. Ungayithinta ubuso ngesandla. Ungathinta amehlo. Hayi Dola phela sithini isikhathi ka Dola lapha? 5 minutes. For the boys. Hey Dola, it's intshele mina awuthiyami. You can quit now. Into ngizoyenza, I will buy you milk. You can quit, you can go for me, Dola, and then we're out of the game. How are you feeling? Injani. Nice object. Take it in, are you okay? Kuthi kaka. Awutolihamba mfethu. Awutolinyile. Hayi quita Dola, Shaman utolihamba. Oh no! Dola. Awutolihamba. Dola mfethu ngila. Ungafi phambi kwami. Dola, come on now. Ufuna siyephi? Sifonele i-ambulance. Sifonele i-ambulance, Dola. Sifonele i-ambulance, Dola. Quit. Ngokunika iklipha Dola mfethu. Phuza amanzi mfethu. Phuza amanzi Dola. Dola, you can do it. Give up unjani Dola. See this kaka Dola. Still 3 minutes. Dola kuthi kaka. So how are you feeling now?
Cheers ayo.
Yeah, cheers. Bayizami. Maria cheers.
Yo.
So Dola yenza njani icheese up? Hey, basekhona nabafuna ukutrya. UDola uyakaka ngoku. Uyamvela ne? It's called the bomb effect. This is gLiTtv bafethu. UDola ithatha le nyuku. Isele 2 minutes. Ngicela ungiboleka mfethu. Calm down. We're almost done. What's the Dola? Dola. Hey Dola, you can quit, my brother. Yabo mina, if I was you, I was gonna quit now, drink water. Ngizokupha mhlawumbe noma ke 10 rand. Kumuli skip usibhoke. I can't. Dollar, quit man. Please, drink water, you my brother. You my brother. We will take a selfie after this. Yabona, $8. Yeah, it's cut. Hi, Mo. We are 1 minute, few seconds down. That's on there. Don't look at it. How you feeling right now?
Yachisa yo.
Ichisa laphi? Ungathinta amehlo. Ungathinta amehlo. Yashisa ne?
Yes.
So ungathi shisa njengani?
Yo, ayikho lofika pha.
Ayikho ne? Yazi le way ibizwa ngantoni ite form. Awubacelela ukuba ba-subscribe apha.
Subscribe brani kule page entsha ka gLiTtv.
Anjaya mgenge. Ngeke uyigowa sana. Ayakhona. Yagowa. Gola. This is Sam Mike. King Ginger Cream de la Cream. This is gLiTtv. Bafethu $2 sengizommukelisa into yakhe. He's about to go under a minute. In 9. He's going under a minute in few seconds. And then we're going to do a countdown, must be 10. And then Zakal. Thank you, Baba Wam. Nice cards. All right. You're on 50 seconds. Here we are Sunday. That's all. Surviving is living. Vela tola vela babon. Babuli seto.
Tonus bala nje farm now.
Babuli seto. Are you ready for a hot countdown? Guys. Wazani ngapha manje. We are counting all of us. Wazani ngapha. This side guys. Are you ready for a countdown? Let's go, guys. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, man, how you feeling, man?
Yo, ayachisa. Iyeke uthise emloyeni athisa ubuzo.
Manje ikuphi manje chisa?
Lapha ebusweni.
Ungathinta ubuzo.
Yo, fine.
Anjani ama lips? Yeah. What can you advise for the next person? Ama tricks afuna washaya.
Makavele khawuleza igqibe so that in 5 minutes it digest. Yo.
Ungathinta amehlo. Hayibo. So njengamanje you're going to go wash your hands with the soap so that uzokwazi ukuthi ukhululeke ngezandla zakho ne.
Sure.
Just want to say thank you so much my friends. Yeah man, you can go my brother. Congratulations. Yeah, power. Thanks man. King Ginger Cream de la Cream my friends. This is gLiTtv and this is student edition Mthembu. We are eating hot things and we are giving away money. If you want money, come to me. Let's do this challenge. Do the right thing. Ubone ukuthi kambani. King Ginger gLiTtv. Subscribe ala Mthembu. Do the right thing, my brother. Take me home.
Yeah. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, 2 shot, you ain't about it, business.